So now let us know how to build a Telegram AI chatbot. So firstly, we'll import Telegram API using no Telegram bot API library. This library basically handles all communication between your Node.js code and Telegram servers. Next, we'll move on to we'll create a bot token which is unique, and this bot token is available from @bot father Telegram, which uses this to know which bot is sending or receiving messages. And polling is easier than webhooks for local development. After this, your bot will be online and wait for messages. So here JS console.log movie mode bot is running. Once you see this message, this prints a message in your terminal, so you know the bot started successfully. This is helpful for debugging. Next, we'll be involving some predefined movie lists. Like mood movies is an object here where each key is a mood. Each mood contains an array of movie strings. This is your database for recommendations. Using Markdown makes movie titles look nice in Telegram. So JS const movies. Here, when you are happy, it will be printing the Hangover 2009. So now, moving on, we have mood buttons. Here, as you can see, the const mood involves an array of happy, sad, romantic, angry, scared, excited, and bored. A simple array of moods. This later can be used for creating a keyboard buttons in Telegram. So now we'll start with the #start command, by which the board dot message will be sent. Board dot on text callback listens for the start command. So once it receives the start command, there will be a unique identifier for the chat. Console.log is used for debugging. It prints who started the bot. So now bot.send message sends a message back to the user to know about the name of the user. Here we also include keyboard buttons. This shows a custom keyboard in Telegram with more buttons. It involves resize keyboard and one-time keyboard. So finally, no. So about a handling message, mode.on message listens to all messages, including typed text and button press. We convert text to lowercase for easier matching. Here, Telegram buttons include emojis. So for happy, it includes a smiley emoji. Would not match happy directly. WeChat text dot includes happy to map the button text back to the key in mood movies. Debug log for messages. So here in this code we have console.log. It receives a text saying in prints every message is received in the terminal. It is very useful for checking that your board is receiving messages properly or not. So next, sending movie recommendations. It checks if the user modes exist in mode movies. It joins the array into a string separated by new lines, sends a formatted response with markdown. So finally, moving on, we have it, it will ask for user types, something unknown. What politely asks them to use the buttons. So in summing it all up, we have bot starts and listens using polling. User sends hash a slash start. Bot now shows the keyboard with modes. User taps a button. Bot maps it to the mode key. Bot retrieves movies from mode movies and sends them. Any unknown input, bot politely asks user to select a button. All messages are locked in the terminal for debugging. So finally, here you don't need TMBD API keys. These keys are predefined and the buttons make it user friendly. These users don't need to type again explicitly. Now adding to this simplicity, we have posters or links. These make it easy for using board.sendPhoto or console.log. This is the main debugging tool. It always checks the terminal